In this video, I will show you how to fix crackling sound on a Windows 11 laptop. First, make sure your laptop is running the latest version of Windows. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, then go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer if prompted. Next, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs, then locate your laptop speakers. Right-click your speakers and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose Audio Endpoint, click Next, and wait for the driver to update. After updating the driver, right-click your speakers again, select Disable Device, confirm the action. Now, right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Under the Playback tab, right-click your speakers and select Properties. Open the Advanced tab, Enable audio enhancements if it's turned on, then try changing the default audio format to a different option. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. If the problem still isn't fixed, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Set View by to Large Icons, then select Power Options. Change your current power plan to the opposite option. For example, if you're using High Performance, switch to Balanced. If you're using Balanced, switch to High Performance. If you're still hearing crackling sounds after trying these steps, the issue may be related to your laptop speakers or other hardware, and you may need to have it checked by a technician. And that's how you can fix crackling sound on a Windows 11 laptop.